breastfeeding can be a rewarding yet challenging journey for new mothers. Here are some simple tips to help you get started with confidence. 1. Establish a routine. Aim to nurse or pump every 2 to 3 hours to maintain milk supply. Consistency is key in the early stages. 2. Stay hydrated and nourished. Your body needs extra fluids and nutrients while breastfeeding. Drink plenty of water and consume a balanced diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, and vegetables. 3. Invest in the right equipment. A quality breast pump can make a significant difference. Choose one that suits your lifestyle, whether manual or electric. 4. Learn proper latch techniques. A good latch ensures comfort for you and effective feeding for your baby. Seek guidance from a lactation consultant if needed. 5. Create a comfortable space. Find a quiet, relaxing spot for nursing or pumping to minimize stress and distractions. Remember, every breastfeeding journey is unique. Be patient with yourself and seek support from healthcare professionals or breastfeeding groups when needed. You're doing great!